Hello and welcome to another video. This is WTI crude oil 240-minute chart. Let's see together where is our resistance, where is our support, and what will happen in next days. If you look at 240-minute chart, you can see this perfect trend line here. And we can use another trend line here, but it is not main trend line. As you can see, it was break, and maybe in next few days, maybe market can touch here this support, static support plus this trend line. In 60-minute chart, lower time frame, we have this triangle here, and maybe in next hours market move in this triangle and from upper side or from downside break. So be careful here, don't forget money management. We can't say 100% this triangle break from down or up. If you look at this chart, you can see a not perfect, but maybe it work head and shoulder here. It's not complete yet, but maybe it work. And if this head and shoulder here work, it can sharp bearish trend. So be careful here, don't forget money management. I can use another trend line here, but it's not perfect. And if we look at carefully this chart here, this support and this support are very important. If I use this pitchfork here, you can understand how important this support here. If here break, price can touch maybe here. And finally, this big triangle in 240-minute chart, market can touch this lower line from this triangle. And after that, maybe another bullish trend. So be careful about money management, and don't forget like and subscribe.